about her latest album, Somebody to Love. Pinagkakandaan ko talaga ng bonggang-bonggang ang aking, siguro para may season ko of changes. I'm trying out something new, and parang yung shocking change. Eh, yung mga picture niya, eh, medyo tumanda ng konti. But, in terms of music, I guess, nag-mature din ang copy itself. This is an almost original album. There are 11 tracks there. Dalawa lang dyan ang hindi cover song. So, ito siguro yung attempt ng colleagues and myself, the effort namin to tap into the talent of the Filipino singers and songwriters.
A season for transferring. Nikki Hill clears up the issue of leaving Star Magic for her new management, ALD.
Pinag-isahan namin ng maayos, at tapusin naman namin ng maayos. I sought the help of my parents, and since sila naman yung talaga nakapag-usap, gusto naman si Kamalo in the very beginning, sila rin yung nag-gusto doon, and asked for a release.
Also denied that boyfriend Billy Crawford had anything to do with her recent decision.
Not at all. Really had nothing to do with my decision. But I decided because nakita ko kung paano i-handle ng ALD. Merong malalapit na tao sa buhay ko, my best friend and my boyfriend, Ia and Billy. And I saw how they were happy. So, I made that in that.
Also the season for switching stations.
Kaya kami yan sa management ko. Concern ko lang ngayon is pagbutihan yung ginagawa ko. Invest in improving my craft, honing my craft. I give my new management a chance. I'm happy to be a person. I will do where I needed. Ang pagpuntahan ko ay kung saan ko gagamitin at kung saan ko ma-share the most ng aking skills.
A season of fight.
Wala akong kaaway. Wala akong mainit na kaaway. Okay? And, hindi. Kasi wala akong kaaway. Kasi ako, sino? Siguro kung meron akong pinagdadaanan, na nagsisilip ako, minit ang ulo ko. Yun lang siguro sa course. Hindi naman namin kaaway ng star na agent. So, nagpaalam naman ka na niya kung ayaw si Baby, hindi siya pala alright. She's very American. Pag meron problema, gusto niyo inaayos na kesa sa mga bulungan na kung kanina pa nakakarating. Which is very American. Which is, I think, a good thing, a good quality. Diba? Kasi kung ano pa yung ang mga bulungan at syarbahan na nalagan.
A season of jealousy. The actress takes a deep breath as she puts a stop to rumors pitting her against SFX's co-artists Tony Gonzaga and Sarah Geronimo.
Is it producer? No, of course not. Who would say that? Hindi ako easy. Para magbigay ng mga fraud. Hindi ako kliyente at advertising para bantayan ang mga fraud ng ibang tao. And why would they do that? Kanino makakatulong yun? Kanino makakapana? So, no, I have, of course, Tony and Sarah are of a different level. They are of a different league. Ako, sa totoo lang, hindi ko maisip kung sino yung magsasabi na. Natatawa na lang ako. Sa totoo lang. And nagdadasal na lang ako na eventually mapagod sila sa kagawa ng away na wala naman. Ilang taon na kami nasa isang dressing room at hindi lang kami sa aspect na kasama. Lumalabas kami. Pahirapan na yan si Mami Iye. Si Tony, yung boyfriend niya, is a very close family friend. He is with the singers. So, alam mo yun, bakit kagawa ng away na wala?
Welcome to the ALD family, Nikki. And it's